the film shooting, well, that's where you come from. So that was the understanding of Kashmir in those years. I'm talking about the 60s and the 70s and wherever. So I grew up there, did my post-graduation there, taught in a college there. The subject that I was trained for, I'm a biologist by qualification. And then I taught in a college. The main students I was teaching the undergrads. I was a postgrad, just out of postgrad, 1979 ke baad hai. And I was teaching the undergrads. There's not much of an age difference. So then these undergrads would look at me and says, "Oh, ma'am, you're so fair, you got blue eyes." They found it out of the words. So I was wondering myself, gadwad. You know, like there's nobody else who could see. My dad had blue eyes, he was almost like Raj Kapoor. My two brothers, I've got two elder brothers to me, both blue eyed. But the rest of them, for miles, there was nobody with blue eyes. So I used to get a little intimidated. I'm a square peg in a round hole over here. People see a lot of Kashmir, and then we started getting, bigger families, bade. So I have two brothers elder to me, both are retired right now. Of course, I'm retired, so they are retired. My eldest brother is an IPS officer, first with J&K, batch of 1971. He was the Director General of Police, and he retired in around 10 years back. He was the one which fought with these J&K, the militants, the beheading of those Americans. That was the time when he was there. My second brother is a brigadier. He was brigadier in the army. He's also retired. And my dad was a brigadier. So I come from a little army, military, police background. My husband, of course, was more of the brainy types. My husband family. My family was more of the brawny types. Brawny and brainy together, of course. But they were all qualified. Kashmir ab cheez Bishmut Maizan mein, what I understand a bit about Kashmir is, as doesn't such cheez aase. We must have two things in our lives, which my grandmother, parents, and everybody told me. One, qualification. Whether it's a girl or a boy, they have to be well qualified. Bare ghar mein khana ho ya na ho, padhai honi chahiye. This is one thing we have maintained, we are maintaining. This may be something in our genes, DNA. The second thing is that we Kashmiris, we have to have a roof over our head. And it should be our roof. There's something which I, kind of still think that why Badan, that's the way it is. And number three is, there's not a single Kashmiri you will find who's begging. Not a single Kashmiri who is begging, which is a unique, distinction in ourselves. We have a lot of flaws, but we got a lot of merits as well. So let's take the merit part of it. So I used to go to Kashmir during my summer vacations. My grandmother, Mata Malkas Gatsa, Dimas Rodan, Malapur, Banamur, whatever. And there's Tik versus Tiku prior to my marriage. Dimas Rodan, Tik, kya that one? Shad Khadr side. There's a lot of Tik Mola that was the point, that's where we were there. So, I remember staying in my grandma's place, vacational months. So as a tourist, but because I saw the connection, so they would be my grandmother. I would learn all those things. Then there were two reasons I would go to Kashmir from Mumbai, from Bombay. One reason was that summer vacations for the day we would go. Second reason was when mom and dad would fight. So mom would pack her bags, say Malun. So first Malun Gasa, and she would take the kids also with us. So elder brother was always there only, but the second and the third we would all go with her. So there was one such time when they fought, and that was in my 10th standard. I was going to appear for I was in the 9th. I was about to appear for my 10th, but then they fought and she packed the bags and says, go back, I'll go home. So my mama is there, told me, once in ounce university, you give your 10th here. I didn't know a thing about algebra, geometry, nothing. I just started there in the school there. And he had also my geometry, but now trigonometry, which was. But then somehow he said, maximum kya hoga? You will do it. If you fail, we'll put you in the school as a regular candidate. If you pass, then you go to the college. Na kya hai? It's like win-win anyways. And I was sure fail to hona hi tha, because I had no idea. Other than English, which I had a very good command, I had no other idea. But somehow, you won't believe, I mugged up mathematics. I mugged it up. And then I passed with something like 53%. I still still don't understand how did I do that. But I passed. When I passed, then he put me in the college. So my college 3 years plus this was 4 years I've been in Kashmir actually. Now one of that cut is then even 4 years and I can't do it. I actually found my roots in these 4 years when I was staying there. So what did I find? I found Zune Kitken Katnavan. One this month we used to have this nice angan. Every house had a nice angan, and every member of the house would have to do work. There was no question of anybody being there was no maids, there was no culture. So everybody बच्चे का काम करते थे, बड़े का काम करते. I used to remember my mama, the eldest mama, he would bring the Zune and all the other youngsters would all collect together. Zune means hardwood. From the whatever, because the chakki choli over this I would go by the wood. So it had to be felled, it had to be cut, which would be in the angun. Then it had to go to the last floor, that was one and winter and summer used to have migrations in the house. Winter was Vandas months, winter is Vand, will be down. Yeah, that one? Vote. Summer used to be the summer house would be Koini. So June would be in the summer house, Koini Asa. Now Kitken might take Koini, I must show you. And the facade of the house was windows Asa, first floor taken for windows. Akhak bacha se dapan to be on the window like this. So if you put hurt the one, that's a piece of whatever wood. I would catch it, put it to the next, okay. June around 30 gantas mas
View.
That was the kind of thing. The second thing I realized, is कि इधर जतुल तो जो I saw जतुल तो we used to do it, you know, एक old family को लेके उसमें do and fun to the core. So this whatever Narwhal लगा, but then जतुल. Graham was something which used to go to see here. I still remember, and that was a terrible thing. But then होता है, it's a custom. Lungs with that trachea. तो लेके ऐसा PU. That used to be the hardest thing. But that was again a tradition. वो eagles को खिलाते थे, है ना? Good. For what reason I don't know. But क्या था? There was a tradition. Zeecher, crew was PU and all these eagles circling around.
Hari Parvat.
Parvat number was Zeecher, 100%
Zeecher में था, बाद में बंद हो गया वहाँ.
अच्छा, thank God.
Hari Parvat.
So talking about now, my mother was a teacher fundamentally. She was a Ratan Bhushan Prabhakar. That used to be the degrees those days. So Prabhakar was the highest, that was equivalent of MA, I think. So she would be this thing, and then she would be taking all of us Pulai, your time, Zangatray time. I remember we would all go Zangatray time, Pulai, Badam, Pulai, Mushlik Khadr, Zangatray only. मेरा बिछाना सब नीचे लगाते थे. स्टोव पिन भी होनी चाहिए थी. So those days there should be a stove, right? Connect. और उसमें स्टोव पिन जरूरी था because उसको ब्लॉक बदलता था. So you had to take that, and then we make chai type thing, and then we would sit down and we would have